Hello children, welcome to the online teaching session of class 4 science, teeth and microbes. Today I will teach you chapter 2 teeth and microbes. Under that I will teach you structure of a tooth. A tooth is divided into two parts, the crown which is the visible part of the tooth and the root which is under the gum and cannot be seen. So children, this is the crown and this is the visible part of the tooth. Visible means which can be seen, and root which is under the gums and cannot be seen. So this is crown and this is root. The root extends below the gum line and helps anchor the tooth into the bone. These are the roots. The root extends below the gum line. These are the gums and they extend below the gums and they help anchor the tooth. These roots make the tooth strong. They help anchor the tooth into the bone. Our teeth have 3 layers and each does a different job. These include enamel, dentine and pulp. Now let us see what is enamel. It is the outermost layer of the tooth. It is the hardest substance in our body. This is the enamel. It is the hardest substance in our body. It resists the wear and tear of the internal parts of the tooth. It protects the internal parts of the tooth. It forms the crown of the teeth, and it comes under the crown of the teeth. After enamel, what comes? Dentine. This is dentine. It lies under enamel. It is not as hard as enamel. It protects the inner pulp. This is the pulp and it protects the inner pulp. And let us see what is pulp. The pulp is the innermost part. It is the light part of the tooth because it contains nerves and blood vessels. It contains nerves and blood vessels. So, it is the innermost part of the tooth. So, children, there are 2 parts of the tooth, crown and root. And the crown is the visible part of the tooth, and the root, it extends below the gums and helps anchor the tooth. And there are 3 parts, enamel, dentine and pulp. Then come gums. So thank you and have a nice day.